Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Charles Schwab account privacy and online security, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure your Charles Schwab account privacy and online security, begin by visiting the Charles Schwab website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Look for the privacy and security section in your account settings. Here, you will find options related to account privacy and security settings. Start by reviewing your account's privacy settings. You may see options to manage how your personal information is shared. Adjust these settings according to your preferences for privacy. Next, proceed to the security settings section. Consider enabling two-factor authentication if it is not already activated. This adds an additional layer of security to your account. You may also want to set up alerts for account activity to monitor any unusual transactions. Explore the options for login security. Choose a strong, unique password that you do not use for other accounts. Change your password if you have not done so recently. Check if Charles Schwab offers biometric authentication on your device. If available, enable fingerprint or facial recognition for quicker and secure access. After configuring your security settings, look for options that relate to data sharing and marketing preferences. Determine whether you want to receive promotional material from Charles Schwab or partners. Make adjustments to your email and communication preferences as needed. Finally, review all the settings you have adjusted. Ensure everything is configured to your satisfaction. Remember to log out of your account when you're finished to maintain security. Periodically revisit these settings to keep your account secure and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.